If you need to install the child seat in the front passenger seat of the Honda CR-V 2012-2014, you will need to turn off this airbag, because if you don't turn off this airbag, it's not allowed to install this seat. And the problem is that not all trims on the Honda CR-V allow you to do this actually. How can you check it in your car? First of all, you will have the front passenger airbag off warning in your vehicle, and secondly, you will have the switch here that allows you to turn off the passenger airbag with the key of your car, actually with anything else like a screwdriver. So in my car I don't have this, and I can't deactivate the Honda CR-V. I suppose I have a Canadian version. It was sold in Europe, and I don't have the possibility to turn off the passenger airbag. So in my car it's not allowed to install the child seat on the front passenger seat. It can be dangerous for a child. If you get into the accident, this airbag will deploy, and it may actually cause heavy injuries for your child. So never do this if you have such trim of the Honda CR-V.